I'm Tim Thompson. I'm a professor of anthropology and I'm the Vice President for Student Learning at Maynooth University. What we looked at was a particular skeleton from a cemetery of gladiators from just outside of York in the UK. Had some really interesting bite marks on that skeleton. So we analysed those bite marks to see what animal that individual had encountered. So what we did is we had a look at a whole host of different animals, mainly big kind of carnivore animals like lions and tigers and wolves and things like that. And we were able to compare the bite marks from those animals with the holes left in the skeleton of the individual. And what we concluded was that it was a lion that that person had come into encounter with. So what we're thinking is that that individual was a gladiator, they were in the arena and they were fighting a lion as part of that kind of Roman spectacle. So I think the other thing just to keep in mind about this is that this is the only physical evidence of gladiators fighting big cats in the world for this period. All the other evidence is paintings or written sources, but this is physical evidence from the body, from the pelvis of that individual. The thing that surprised me most was that it was a lion, because we are talking about Roman Britain, the provinces of the empire. So not only do we have to think about the act of spectacle, the act of kind of combat as well, but we also need to think about how the Romans took that lion, how they got it from Africa up through Europe and into York as well. So this is a really exciting project. It's gone on for years of study and it's involved us here at Maynooth University, but also colleagues from Cranfield University, Durham University, York University, King's College London, and some archaeologists as well.